What's going on today, YouTube? Thank you for tuning into the channel. If you haven't already done so, like, subscribe, comment, and notifications. So, in today's video, we'll be changing spark plugs on the E36.
Your man hit your phone, wanna make a ride. Swerving in your car, doing make a ride. Almost at the club, baby, make a ride. Hit this northern lights, we can take a flight.
Alright, so we got the spark plugs out, looking a little beat up. So, gonna go ahead and swap the new ones in. These are the new ones right here. Looking pretty good. So first thing is gonna put some anti-seize on the threads, and then go ahead and drop them in. Alright, so the new coils finally came in. I'm gonna go ahead and install those now. Painted the valve cover a little while ago. So these boots need some grease on them, so make sure to put a little grease on them so they create better suction over the spark plugs. So let me go ahead and get that set and then snap these in. We're almost done. everything installed. All the coils are in, clipped down, bolted down. grounded. So start it up and see how it runs. Alright, well, that is going to be the end of this video. If this was helpful to you in any way, make sure to like, subscribe, comment, turn on notifications. Let me know what you guys want to see in the next video or something I can show with one of these 3 cars. So, catch you in the next video. Peace.